Good day, everyone. My title is The Harmony of Music and Math: How Arts and Science Connect. Have you ever thought about how music and math, or arts and science, are actually connected? I know they seem like total opposites. Music is all about creativity and emotions, while math and science are about logic and numbers. But if you take a closer look, you will see they are just not related. They actually work together in some really cool ways. Music and math, more similar than you think. Let's start with music. Have you ever tapped your foot to the beat of a song? That beat is actually math in action. Rhythm is all about patterns and timing, which are based on numbers. And did you know that musical notes follow mathematical ratios? A long time ago, a guy named Pythagoras, yeah, the, the, the one from the Pythagorean theorem, discovered that different sounds are created by dividing a vibrating string into sections. That's how we got musical scales. Even famous composers like Mozart and Beethoven used math in their music. They followed patterns and sequences, like the Fibonacci sequence, to make their composition sound just right. And if you look at the piano, you will notice a patterns in the way keys are arranged. It's all numbers and structure disguised as music. Science is more creative than you think. Now, let's flip the script. Science isn't just formulas and experiment. It actually requires a lot of creativity. Think about Albert Einstein. He didn't just do math all day. He had to imagine like time slowing down and space bending. That's pretty artistic if you ask me. Even physics has a connection to music. Sound waves, which are part of physics, explain how music travels and why different instruments have different tones. And let's not forget technologies. Computer use algorithm, which are basically math instructions, to create digital musics and cool special effects in movies. Where art and science meet in real life. This connection between arts and science isn't just something we talk about, it's everywhere. Architects use math to design beautiful buildings. Graphic Graphic designers use patterns and proportion to make art that looks good to the eye. Even musicians use physics to make sure their instrument sounds perfect. And have you heard of AI creating music or digital paintings? That's science and art coming together in ways we never imagined before. Conclusion: the perfect duo. So what's the point of all of this? It's to show that music and math, science and art aren't as different as we think. They actually work together to make the world more interesting and creative. Math gives music its structure, and music makes math feel alive. Science helps artists create new things, and arts make science more imaginative. At the end of the day, we don't have to choose between being artistic or scientific. We can do both. And when we see how these two worlds connect, we start to understand how everything around us is part of a bigger, more exciting picture. And additionally, and if you're into technology, here's something even cooler. Engineers and scientists actually use art and creativity to innovate. Without creativity, we wouldn't have groundbreaking invention, stunning architecture, or even video games. Imagine designing a car without artistic vision or making a medical breakthrough without thinking outside the box. Science and art work together more than we realize. So, why does this matter to us? Well, it shows us that we don't have to choose just one path. If you love music, you're already using math. If you enjoy painting or drawing, you're already thinking like a scientist. We can be both logical and creative, and maybe that's the key to making amazing discoveries. Thank you for listening, ma'am.